Hi, thanks for joining the OSU Museum of Art's Daily Art. This week, the museum staff was inspired by Chi Jin's hanging scroll. Take a look. We really loved the flowers on this piece, so for today's STEAM activity, we're making chromatography flowers, like these.
Chromatography is the separation of a mixture by passing a solution through a medium. Today, we'll separate the colored ink and markers with water using coffee filters. Choose a few colors, make a hypothesis, or a prediction, about which colors will separate out. You can pause this video and write it down or discuss. Let's get started. To make your chromatography flowers, here are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need coffee filters, some markers, some open jars with a little bit of water in them. These next supplies are optional. These will help you make your flowers. Some scissors, some tape. Again, this is optional. And lastly, you'll need some sticks for the stems. If you don't have sticks, you can try using some pipe cleaners or some rolled up pieces of paper that look like stems. It's up to you. To get started on your chromatography, take a coffee filter and using a marker, you'll draw a circle in the center. Now, don't get your filter wet like I did here. These actually ended up not working and I had to redo this later. But you'll draw a circle in the middle, fold it over so that they'll fit into the cup, and then you're going to place them in the cup like so. Place them in so that they just barely touch the water. You want them to be able to suck the water up through the filter, but you don't want to get the ink wet. And now we wait.
To assemble your chromatography flower, you will need your chromatography coffee filters and something to attach to. If you decide that you want petals, you can take your coffee filter and fold it in half, and then fold in half again. Now it's folded into fourths. One more time. Now, you can take your scissors and cut an arch so that you have petal shapes like these. Another option, if you don't want to use scissors, is you can take your paper and simply tear the edge like so. This gives you a petal that is a little rougher, but still fun. Now to attach the petals to your stem. Take your stem, whether it's pipe cleaner, stick, paper tube, whatever you have, and again, take your chromatography filter and fold in half. Place your stick in the middle of your little fold and wrap around like you're making a little taco around that stick. Pinch it right where the paper and the stick meet, and you can twist around. You're going to do it a little gently so you don't tear your paper. There you have it. They're on there pretty well. You can secure that with a piece of tape, and you have yourself a little flower. And here's a bouquet of my chromatography flowers. Thanks for joining us with the OSU Museum of Art's Daily Art. Snap a picture of your flowers and share them with us. Make sure to tag us at OSU Museum of Art, #DailyArt. See you next time.